You think your brain is fixed? That's the biggest lie you've ever believed. The truth is, your brain can be reprogrammed, and if you miss even one of these three steps, you'll stay stuck in the same loop forever. Step 1. Erase the noise. Every negative thought is like writing on a chalkboard. Close your eyes, picture that board, and wipe it clean. Step 2. Install a new command. Just like software, your brain follows the words you feed it. So every time you say, I can't, switch it to, I am unstoppable. Repeat it until your brain has no choice but to believe it. And listen, don't scroll right now. If you want more mind shifts like this, hit subscribe right now. Stay with me till the end. Because step 3 is so powerful. Scientists call it brain rewiring in action. Every time you do something new, your brain fires a new path. Actually, you're not stuck with the brain you were given. You're building it every single day. So choose the program, rewire it, and watch your life shift.